everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. This is actually the Gran Coupe. Killer car, guys. Absolutely love this car. Gosh, you do this long enough, man, and you just realize how small a world this is. The gentleman I bought this car from was out of Virginia. 3 years ago, he said he bought this car at a car show, and he said it was an absolute nightmare. Drove it home, said it just was a basket case. Took the car in. This truck go by us here. And he took this car to a guy that I actually know. I have actually bought several cars from him, and I've actually bought several cars that he has restored. Greg out of Virginia, 3 years ago, did a complete body up restoration on this car for him. Guy does great work. This is one of those cars that I'm going to tell you right now, guys, it's a blast to drive. But if you don't know horsepower, this car will get you hurt, man. It's 550 horse. He said could be more than that underneath the hood, and it runs, man. You blurp this throttle, and it just burns those tires. Very cool color. Greg said this is actually a Dodge Ram truck color. It's garnet red metallic, pretty paint. You can see it's got the black vinyl top. It's got all new black, legendary interior in it. And this car is slick, man. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. Look at how nice that car is. Grill's in great shape. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's got the fender mount turn signals. Of course, it's got the sport hood. Beautiful car, man. I'm telling you, just an absolute blast to drive. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Of course, you can see the black vinyl interior in there. New black vinyl top. It's just some wax there, guys. It's coming off. Great guy. And the only reason he sold it, guys, got some bad health news, he said, and didn't want his wife and daughter dealing with the car, so go wing. The car's nice and straight down the sides. I know they put quarters on both sides, did a nice job. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch Rallies. I think he's got 275s on the rear there. He's got the CUDA rear valance. Scratch there. Pretty car right there, man. And a lot of money spent on the car. I mean, he spent some money on this car. But like he said, he wasn't doing it to sell it, he was doing it to keep it, which is really what most guys do. Just had a guy in today, he spent a ton of money restoring a 75 Omega, knowing he's not going to get his money out of it, but he's owned the car since 76 and he wanted to have it done. '69 date coded 440. I can't remember what the original engine is. Could have been a 318. I'll have to look it up, guys. Can't remember offhand. But this is a '69 aluminum headed 440. Said 550 horsepower, roller rocker and cams, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads, power steering. It's got the Pro-Billet distributor with a 6A box on it. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Power, I think it said power steering, power front disc brakes. It does have a switch underneath for the fans. Also has a vacuum pump on it for the brakes. Make sure you turn those on when you start it. Hooker ceramic headers, 727 torqueflite automatic transmission with a 3000 stall. No fender tag, guys. Pretty car, man. Yeah, look at this piece. Look how nice that was done. Most of the time, I mean, they're just scratched. This piece has been all refurbished. That's what he said. He built it to keep it. Dual chrome mirrors, stainless on the car is nice. Door handles look good. Digital door tag still in the door. G, and I think G is a 318. So that would probably been the original engine. Again, it is a Gran Coupe. CUDA mats are on the way. They'll be black carpeted and say CUDA in silver. Bucket seats, Tuff wheel, center console. He put a new dash cap on it. Again, seats are all real nice and redone, all repadded, refoamed. Overhead console does work. Even the lights on the overhead console work. It's got an aftermarket pistol grip shifter in it. 80,186. That's supposed to be the miles total on the car. He figured there's a couple thousand since he got it done. You can see he's phantomed out the gauges, Rallye dash, Sony sound system in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip with a rear sway bar. Car cover comes with it. Again, I know they put quarters on it. Trunk's all body color like it should be. Nice car underneath. As always, there's photos at the bottom of the car. I always put photos on every car. Door skins are nice and clean. Some dust there. Seats are really nice. The switches for the fans and the vacuum pump for the brakes are just to the left of that steering wheel. This thing gets the tires quick, man. Nathan. Turn signal's working. You can see that one. It works over there too. Nasty sound, man. Gauges are all functional. Yeah, it's a little low on gas. Tach's over here. Put an aftermarket tach in it. Oil pressure is down below there. You can see it's holding almost 75 pounds of oil pressure. Turn the radio on. Blower motor, I know it works. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Watch this guy, Nathan. I don't know what he's doing. Sorry. You can also check it out on our social media, Instagram, Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get notifications every time I post a new video.